In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can avoid spelling mistake in Microsoft Excel and avoid typos. So let's start. Here you can see that this is our month and this is our sales, and we did a mistake which is February and March in the spelling. So if you want to check it, you can do it with the review tab. There is a review tab, click there, and here is an option which is spelling, click there, and now you just click yes. Then it will show which is your mistake, and this is our mistakes and this is our suggestion. We can change it from there. We can click there. Now click there, and there another mistake which is our March, and they are suggesting this spelling and change it. Now click OK. You can see that the spelling mistake has been corrected. This is how you can use spelling mistakes and check your mistakes on Excel file and avoid typos. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching.